In this video, I'll show you how to download a workflow in N8N in just a few clicks. This is a quick and useful method if you want to back up your automation, move it to another workspace, or save it for later use. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple N8N guides. Let's get right into it. First, open N8N and go to the overview page. This is where you can see all of your saved workflows in one place. From here, find the workflow you want to download and click on it to open it. Once the workflow's open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots there. Click those 3 dots to open the Workflow Options menu. In that menu, click Download. As soon as you do that, N8N will export the workflow and your JSON file will be downloaded automatically. That's all you need to do. Click Overview, choose the workflow, open the 3-dot menu, and hit Download to save the workflow as a JSON file. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more N8N tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.